Okay, so we're going to talk today about astronomy, and we're kind of wondering, does the tool have any information that's from astronomy? Let's try some simple examples. Let's see here. So let's just start with a list of planets. The function to access the astronomy data is called, as expected, astronomical data. I'll give it an argument of planets. Here's a list of planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Okay. What do these planets look like? We'll get the images, and these three characters at the four characters at the end: function character, and then the apply character, and then the percent means previous says get the previous list, stick it in repeatedly to this pound sign, and get the image, and then display the image in a list. So here's the image of each of the planets. There's Earth number 3, and I guess that's Pluto number 9. Okay, that was pretty straightforward. And then we wonder, so are there properties associated with these planets? And it turns out there's a very large number of properties. Now, every planet and every astronomical data item does not have all these properties. You can see distance here. You can see one I'm interested in here for this one is mass. And so you can see all these properties, very large number: diameter, density, distance in light years, effective temperature. These are for stars, and IC number for nebula. So there's a tremendous number of properties in here. We're just going to look at a couple. So let's get the mass of each. So we'll do the same kind of thing where we get the list of the planets and we get the mass for each one. And here's the list of masses of each planet. And then let's arrange it so it's like a report by including the name of the planet and the mass, and then showing it in a table. So here's a table of all the planets with their masses. And let's sort the masses in a descending fashion. So Jupiter is the largest, Saturn's the second largest, Earth is the fifth largest. It's bigger than both Venus and Mercury, or it's heavier. It has more mass than both Venus and Mercury. And Pluto is the smallest. And these are obviously scientific notation numbers. Now, what are the units of these numbers? You can give a command to ask for the units of the mass in kilograms. Now, I can also take this and I can actually invoke it here by getting the distance units. Distance units. Meters. So if I want the distance of Pluto, I can go down here and I can say, let's get the distance of Pluto. And if I go ahead and execute that, it's actually 5 times 10 to the 12th meters. I assume that's from the center of the universe. I mean, the center of the galaxy. Or the center of the solar system, actually. So that's my test for today.